Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar revealed that the Cabinet has approved the state's investment policy with a trust on industry, tourism, IT and the health sector. The state government will also take the ordinance route within the next 2 to 3 weeks to give legal teeth to an investment promotion board which will replace the current high-powered coordination committee. All investment proposals worth ₹5 crores and above will go to the board, which will be chaired by the Chief Minister himself and co-chaired by the Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza. Industries Minister Mahadev Naik and Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar will be the board's co-vice chairman. The board will have 9 other members including the state government's principal secretary. An independent expert agency will also be engaged to assist the board in appraising individual investment proposals, Parrikar said. The board will be administered by a CEO who could be an expert picked from the industry with specific qualification and experience requirements, Parrikar revealed. All investment proposals below ₹5 crores will be handled by the respective ministers who handle the sector in which the investment is proposed according to the investment policy approved by the Cabinet.
दुसरे गजाल कॅबिनेटान इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसीक अंडरलायन इन्वेस्टमेंट इट इज नॉट इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी इट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसी हाका मंजुरी दिल्ली आसा. इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसी हॅव यू आस्क्ड सेक्रेटरी टू पुट इट ऑन द वेबसाइट? Okay, it will go on in the next half an hour. It will go on the website. Industrial policy साधारण draft तुमकां मेळ्ळो तातूंत फायनल करेक्शन्स केल्ली आसा. पण ताचे हायलायट जे आसा एक म्हणजे फोकस एरियाज बी सगळो मेन्शन केला. यू कॅन टेक इट इज नॉन पोल्युटिंग इंडस्ट्री, इट इज टुरिजम ओरिएंटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स, लेजर टुरिजम, हॉटेल प्रोजेक्ट्स, IT सेक्टराकूय इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसीन घेतलेले आसा. Industry, tourism and IT. These are the 3 sectors which are part of health sector as and when required. कारण health sector इतले investment खूप येतलेशें ना, but it is also part, and the main crux of the industrial policy is formation of investment promotion board, which is going to be a statutory body. Maybe in 2-3 weeks we may come out with ordinance. आतां हांव पयलींच क्लॅरिफाय करता, ordinance can be called if the assembly is not in session. There are examples, if anyone wants I can give examples in Goa itself. कारण एक समजूत आसा की ordinance cannot be issued when assembly is summoned. When assembly is in session, ordinance cannot be issued. पयलींच सांगता, म्हणजे एक पॉयंट तुम्ही तकलेन घेना, ताजेरूच एक कंट्रोवर्सी सुरू आसा. वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ इश्यूइंग ऑर्डिनन्स इन नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 weeks ऑन द लीगल, म्हणजे द लीगल प्रोविजन फॉर द सेम. नाउ what is the role of IPB or Investment Promotion Board? It will have some expert agency assisting it to analyze any project which is more than 5 crores. If the project is less than 5 crores, either it can go through the normal route of small scale industry, medium and small scale industries act under that, or if there are difficulties envisaged, it can come before the board and it will be handled by concerned minister of that department. There will be subcommittee of each department. The industries, Mahadev Naik will handle it, IT, Deputy Chief Minister will handle it, and if it is tourism, Dilip Parulekar handle. If it is less than 5 crores, if it is more than 5 crores, it will come before the committee, which will be the committee will be chaired by Chief Minister, co-chaired by Deputy Chief Minister, who is Minister IT also, and other vice chairman will be Minister Industries and Minister Tourism.
Meanwhile, responding to a query about the controversy over the now aborted tour of the ministers and MLAs to the Football World Cup in Brazil, the Chief Minister said he has asked the Chief Secretary to formulate a policy for all government-sponsored foreign tours, be it for ministers, legislators and bureaucrats.
I don't know. I have told Chief Secretary to work them out. ते सांगा मरे नाही सर ते असतात ना ना घेता 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 रॉंग चुकीची आहे आम्ही पळटा आम्ही धाडटा आम्ही धाडटा नाल्यार पोस्ट फॅक्टो एप्रुवल हाडटा हांव आतां हांगा गेलो इंग्लंडाक म्हज्या खर्चाचेर गेलो एकूय पयसो सरकाराक पडूंक ना बट आय हॅव गॉट PMO's क्लियरन्स आय हॅव गॉट मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स क्लियरन्स होम मिनिस्ट्रीज क्लियरन्स ऑल क्लियरन्सीस आर इन रायटींग वीथ मी पळय कोण धर तूं म्हणजे स्वताच्या खर्चाचेर वता एखाद्या वेळार घेवन ना आसत पण वेकेशनाक बी वता आसत पण गव्हर्मेंटाच्या हाजेर गेल्यार घेतल्या सरकाराच्या हाजेर घेवंक जाय रे सो आय एम मेकिंग दॅट कंपल्सरी नाव दॅट इज वॉट आय टोल्ड देम टुडे दॅट इज वॉट आय एम ट्रायंग टू टेल यू दॅट वी डिस्कस्ड इवन प्रायवेट वेकेशन ट्रीप हॅज टू बी परमिटेड बाय इट इज ओनली routine permission it's not a very
personal trip MEA
but like it is routine normally they give they don't know unless you are traveling to some enemy country or embarrassment जावंक जायना म्हणून केन्ना ते but this is not part of cabinet decision. After cabinet this was discussed and chief secretary has been directed to formulate the guidelines so that there is no but I have my policy is to ensure that they go get exposure, proper exposure. I don't shy away from sending legislators or ministers abroad provided it is for useful purpose. That aspect I will tighten so that there is no wasteful गरजे भायर खर्च करूंक दिवचो ना गेल्ले काम सारकें हें करता काय पळोवपा खातीर कितें तें हें येतलो बट एक्सपोजर इज अ मस्ट
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said the garbage treatment plant proposed to be built by the state government at Kakora and Kurchere will be operational from May 2015. Speaking to the media after a cabinet meeting on Wednesday afternoon, Parrikar said the construction work for the plant will begin after the monsoons this year and will take about 4 months. The plant should be fully operational by May 2014, Parrikar said, adding that the solid waste disposal for the entire South Goa would be taken care of.
Now we are going after Kakora site. There notification aila. That is not for industry because garbage treatment plant is also an industry. Here 4 months nahi. Construction will start in after the rains and 4 months for construction after the rains. So March parent plant should be give and take 1 or 2 months. May end parent plant operate zatlo. Once the plant is operated, you can actually take care of garbage without any problem.
The monsoon session for the Goa Legislative Assembly will commence from July 22nd and will comprise 21 working days including 3 days dedicated to private member businesses. The Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said 3 days will be devoted to a general discussion on the budget he presented in March, while 15 days will be utilized for discussion and passing of demands for grants for individual government departments. The sessions will end on August 21st.
One is Assembly is being summoned on 22nd of July. It will run up to 21st August. For 3 days for general discussion on the budget, 15 days on demands, and there are 3 Fridays coming private member. So the working days are 18 plus 3, 21.
There will be no demand.
I have assumed as per calendar 29th of July as a Eid ul Fitr. Eid ही 29 जुलैक पण हांव पयलींच सांगता की असेंब्लीचे टायम टेबल त्या प्रमाणे सुटी दवरले 29 तारखेक फाल्यां चंद्र दुसऱ्या दिसा दिसलो जाल्यार आय कॅनॉट हेल्प इट because I cannot go on swinging the timetable of as declared in the calendar, government calendar. We have declared 29th as a holiday. जन्माष्टम आयतारची येता आणि रक्षाबंधनूय आयतारचें येता. नाही मी हांव फक्त म्हायती दिता कित्याक सगळे कॅलेंडरान बी तकलेन धरून केला, बट दॅट इज एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट टायम टेबल. इफ देर इज समथींग डिफरंट, assembly cannot move based on shifting of various religious हे आतांच सांगता कित्याक मागीर ताजेरूय कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी येता. We have taken into consideration what has been declared in the calendar.